welcome aboard the Allure of the Seas. Alright family, we're in the Royal Caribbean Terminal right now, and look at this. Super cool. They got these propellers up there, you got all these big screens. It's a really cool experience so far, and we're about to check in just a few minutes. Alright, we just completed check-in, and we are now off to board the Allure of the Seas. It's right there through those windows. Super simple, super easy, and I'll talk to you guys about that later. Here we go. We're about to board the Allure of the Seas in 3, 2, 1. We are officially on the ship. Wow. We made it on board the Allure of the Seas. You guys, we boarded in the promenade. It looks absolutely gorgeous. It's huge, and I'm so ready to explore it. This absolutely amazing ship, and of course, you guys are coming along with us. Alright family, we are up here on the pool deck here on the Allure of the Seas. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's massive, you guys. It's absolutely amazing. I cannot wait to take you guys along and explore this whole entire thing. Now, ladies and gentlemen, before you go ahead and start your cruise, before you go ahead and start having fun, make sure you go ahead and complete your mandatory muster drill. Every single passenger here on board must complete the drill or the ship will not leave. It basically teaches you how to put on a life jacket and shows you where to go in case of an emergency, which is not likely here on board. So make sure you guys go check that out, get your muster over with, and go have some fun. But now the time is 1 p.m. Our cabins have just opened up, so that's what we're about to go check out. So ladies and gentlemen, come along with us and go check out our humble abode for the next 4 fun-filled days, our cabin. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our interior cabin here on board the beautiful Allure of the Seas. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our home away from home for the next 4 phenomenal fun-filled days, and we're going to show you guys around. So right over here, you've got your beds. You can split those into a double configuration, of course, if you'd like, and that's exactly what we're going to do. But we did get here and they did come together, so just always know you can split them apart if you do get to your room and they happen to be put together. Right over here, you've got a couch, which is very, very nice, very spacious, and you also have a little bit of a desk right here as well for those of you who just want to kick back, relax, put your feet on here, or do some work. Now right here, you've got your TV, which is a very large size. I absolutely love this size of a TV for this cabin, and it also swivels out, which is very, very helpful for watching in a bed. You've also got a vanity space right here for those of you who like to do makeup, and of course, work here on board a cruise ship, which again, you do you. Now right behind me, you've got your storage space with a safe inside of it, and there's a whole bunch more storage in this cabinet as well. Now the next thing to check out is the bathroom. Alright, now ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our bathroom here on board. Now, right here, you've got a nice vanity space with a beautiful backsplash, and I absolutely love it. It makes this bathroom just go to a completely different level, as well as the floor. The floor patterns are super, super cool. I absolutely love it. Now, right here, you've got a big mirror and some great lighting. You've also got shelving alongside the mirror, as well as a little bit of a drawer, which is very, very handy. And then, of course, right behind me, you've got a shower, which is in a capsule. Very, very cool. I've never had this on a cruise before, so I definitely do look forward to trying that out and seeing how it works. And then, of course, right here, you cannot forget, you've got the toilet. Well, ladies and gentlemen, all in all, I think this cabin's definitely going to work out for the next 4 phenomenal fun-filled days. And ladies and gentlemen, now that we're here, it's now time to head out on the town and check out to see what this amazing ship has to offer for us. Let's go explore. Alright family, we're out here on deck number 5 on the Royal Promenade. It's like a big mall here on board. It's where you'll be able to find all of the shops, all of the, well, not all of the food, but a lot of the food here. For example, you got Sorrento's right there and a whole bunch of shopping along here. So we came up to deck 15, 16, one of the upper decks, and they've got this really cool detailed ship model of the Allure. Love the detail they put into this ship so far. One thing I'm noticing about the ship that I really do like is all this seating. You've got a whole bunch of seating all along the walkways. It's really, really great, and everybody's gonna have a spot somewhere here on board the ship to sit. All right, family, so now we're in the solarium. It's actually 16 plus, so if you're a teen, you can hang out here as long as you're over 16. And they've got a whole bunch of nice seating areas. You got a pool over there, and just great views of the very front of the ship. It's a really great area to hang out. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are in this really cool spot here on deck number 8. They've got live music for you at night and a whole bunch of fun. I believe they do trivia in here as well, but it's a really, really pretty room. I really love just the design of it, and I'm looking forward to a fun-filled weekend and beginning of next week here on board this amazing ship. Man, oh man, was that fun going around and exploring this entire ship. Well, we haven't explored the whole thing, nowhere near it actually. There's so much more to see and so much more to do, and of course, you guys will be sticking along all day long. We've got a day at sea tomorrow, then we're gonna be in Cozumel, Mexico the day after, and then we got another sea day after that. So it's gonna be a boatload of fun, but ladies and gentlemen, it's about 5 p.m. and we are about to sail away from Galveston, Texas. Say adios to reality and hello to a vacation full of fun. Ladies and gentlemen, it's now time to sail away from Galveston, Texas. All right, wasn't that sail away absolutely fantastic? We got to sail away. It was a sunset sail away. We saw the Disney Magic leave as well, and then for the cherry on top, they had a little sail away party, which was a good old time. Look, y'all, we got a special delivery from Braden Smith. Thank you so much, Braden. I really appreciate you for sending me. You got me some chocolate covered strawberries. Thank you so much, man. I'm gonna enjoy these. But now the time is 6 p.m. and we are about to head off to dinner. So we're gonna show you guys our experience and that delicious food that we're about to have. All right, family, we are back from dinner, and it was great. It was great. I thoroughly enjoyed every single thing that I had, and I'm definitely looking forward to going back to the MDR tomorrow night. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's now time to head down to the theater, head back out on the town for our welcome aboard show. It's gonna be a whole bunch of fun, and we're taking you along with us. Let's go.
Hey, Gordon! And hello to all of you. And of course, when you see me out, make sure you stop me and say hello. I want to meet you guys, make sure you're having fun. And it's only 4 days. It's going to go by very, very quick. So make sure you do everything this week. Go to all the shows, activities, events, dance.
Get ready to roll the dice and let the game begin.
Give it up for your Royal Caribbean Ice Cast. Hello, everybody. You can be loud and show some love.
All right, family, we just finished up at the Welcome Aboard show and the Ice Games Ice show. I would 10 out of 10 recommend seeing both of those. The Welcome Aboard show is kind of a showcase of the comedians, which I couldn't record, and of course, I got that Ice Game show for you guys that I recorded a little bit of, and it was so great. It was a really great show, and once again, 10 out of 10 recommend that you go see it. Now we're down here in the Royal Promenade waiting for the Welcome Aboard balloon drop to happen, and it's gonna be a whole load of fun. I cannot wait to see all these balloons drop down, and it's just gonna be a good old time.
Hello, everybody! Welcome to our official big welcome party to officially welcome you aboard your cruise vacation. Countdown all together. Here we go. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Man, oh man, wasn't that balloon drop a whole bunch of fun, and wasn't that a funnel day #1. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining us here on board the Allure of the Seas for our embarkation day. I hope you enjoyed it, and ladies and gentlemen, if you did, make sure you go ahead, drop a like on this video, subscribe if you're new, and turn on that post notification bell so you can get notified each and every single time we post a brand new video in this absolutely amazing series. Ladies and gentlemen, we've got so much more fun in store for you. We might go ziplining, we might do the rock climbing wall, but you have to stay tuned because I have no clue what we're gonna be doing. We're just gonna go with the flow tomorrow, and of course, we're gonna explore this whole entire ship from top to bottom, see all that it has to offer. Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, I'm your host, Nick J, and until I see you around, I'll see you square. See you tomorrow. Oh snap. This is cool. We ready for you. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. See, look. That's how you know I'm a Carnival cruiser. I pulled in. Rose doors go out. Alright, let's go ahead and get this room store tarted. Room store tarted? Is your cabin tour. We're gonna show you this cabin inside and... Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our interior cabin here on board the beautiful Allure of the... Alright, now up here, we are... Alright, so now we're on 16, and this is where the Windjammer is. So it's got a really cool entrance up to it. There's double stairs. I believe it's about to be... Nope, this is the loft suite. Okay, no, this is Dexine. And it's where you get all your food is. Or that's where you get all of your food from. Alright, fam. On the top, if you will. So, after all of... I don't even know what I'm gonna say, bro. Old time. They had a little sailaway party going on. That was so much fun. Nope. Alright, just popped up here. On the pool deck, it's quite windy. We're heading back inside, actually.